At Mr. Fence, we hear all the time how people love the look of a vinyl fence, but they're worried that it won't last as long as other fence materials. We care about how our vinyl fence will look years from now, and that is why we use 100% virgin PVC with 10 ppm titanium dioxide that acts as a sunscreen to prevent the product from breaking down, chalking, and discoloration over time. One of the best benefits of a vinyl fence when compared to other materials is that it will never rot, rust, corrode, or be consumed by termites. Storm winds are known to cause major damage to a vinyl fence when not installed properly or with the right materials. That's why at Mr. Fence we install our vinyl fences with a strong aluminum stiffener in every gate post with the option to add to every post. We set them at least 30 inches in the ground with up to 160 pounds of concrete. Every single installation at Mr. Fence meets all ASTM standards, allowing Mr. Fence to offer a lifetime craftsmanship warranty. Our Olympus vinyl line can be customized with a variety of decorative styles ranging from full privacy to semi-privacy, offered in white or tan with many post cap options. We focus on giving you multiple options so that your vinyl fence will give your backyard a special touch. Check out our website or call today to let a member of our sales team help you design the fence of your dreams.